Welcome to Voice of Jewel, the Crow and the Lesson of Happiness. Once upon a time in a vibrant forest, there lived a crow named Coco. Coco often felt sad because he wasn't colorful like the peacock or graceful like the swan. One day, Coco decided to ask the other animals if they were happy with their lives. First, Coco flew to the majestic peacock. Peacock, you are so beautiful. Surely you must be the happiest animal in the forest? The peacock sighed. Coco, everyone admires my feathers, but they forget that I cannot fly high like you. I wish I had your freedom to soar in the sky. Surprised, Coco flapped his wings and flew to the swan gliding across the lake. Swan, you are so elegant and admired by everyone. Are you happy? The swan shook her head. I may look graceful, but I spend hours swimming just to find food. Sometimes I wish I could sit in a tree and rest, like you, Coco. Feeling puzzled, Coco visited the deer grazing in the meadow. Deer, you are swift and admired for your beauty. Surely you must be happy. The deer sighed. Coco, I'm always living in fear of being hunted. I envy the safety you have up in the trees. Coco flew back to his perch, deep in thought. Each animal he spoke to had something they admired about him, yet they were unhappy because they compared themselves to others. That's when Coco realized something profound. Everyone has their own struggles, their own strengths, and their own unique blessings. Instead of comparing, Coco decided to embrace his life as it was, free, resourceful, and full of possibilities. From that day on, Coco stopped wishing to be someone else. He spread his wings wide and lived joyfully, finding beauty in his own uniqueness. Ending message: don't compare yourself to anyone. Every life is unique, and every being has its own strengths and struggles. Find happiness in your own story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.